In today's video we are going to see how to use your smartphone as a second display for your computer. First open up Chrome on your computer and search for SpaceDesk. After that, install the SpaceDesk software according to your computer. Now open Play Store on your smartphone and install SpaceDesk APK on your smartphone. Before going towards next step, make sure that your computer and smartphone should be connected to same Wi-Fi network. After that open on smartphone, click on computer name. After that you will see second display connected. That's it for this. See you in the next one.